Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Jamie Swan and this is my channel based on everything beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and today I'm going to show you guys this really pretty pink kind of summer inspired look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's attempt this pink look. So I'm going to start off by doing my little skincare routine. I'm just going to put on my eye serum and then I let that dry fully, and while that's drying I make a little cocktail for hydration, sun damaged skin, and anti-aging. This is just my delicious little morning cocktail. And then I rub that all together, and this is my skincare slash kind of primer, because it's very, 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 very important. If you're not using the right skincare for your skin type, your makeup is not going to last all day and it's not going to sit well on your skin. If you're curious about kind of learning a little bit more about skincare for skin types, click the little link right here once the video is done and you guys can check that out, and it kind of goes more in depth on skincare for skin types. But we're gonna focus now on foundation and this cute eye look that I'm very excited to do, because I've been wanting to do a pink eye look for quite a while. I'm gonna take my Lime Life by Alcone foundation in the shade Shinto 2 right now, and I'm going to apply it with my brand new number 17 brush. How beautiful is this? It's so nice and big. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a light swirl. Oh no, do you know what I wanted to put on? Okay, before we get too close to the cheekbone area, I want to toss on some of this Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I can't talk, it is way too early. It's 6 a.m. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that right here. Put a little bit of that over here. Okay, yes, I like that. So this is just going to mix with our foundation and just kind of give it that like underglow to our skin. If that's what you want to call it, an underglow, is that a thing? Okay, so now we're going to go back in with the foundation. So next, I'm going to go in with, you could go in with your concealers here, which I really love these. These are the Lime Life concealers in the little 3-well palette. But I want to try the Fenty Beauty matchsticks. These all came together and they're magnetic. Oh, isn't that cool? Okay, so we're going to go in with Bamboo for under the eyes. It's not super light. Usually I go a little bit lighter. A little bit there, a little bit there. We'll put a little swipe down here. This is my number 5 buffer brush. It's just like a smaller, more precise version of the brush that I use to apply my foundation. And I'm going to go in with my Blenderful sponge. This is the Lime Life sponge. I really, really, really like it. And just press that in under my eyes, and I find that that helps with under eye creasing, just taking a sponge after and blending it in. Let's go on to the next one. This is the contour stick in Mocha. And we're just going to go in with the same buffer brush and blend that out. This is such a pretty dewy glow. I'm loving it. And this is the highlighter stick, which I love this color. Look at it. Oh, you can't even see. My hand is so full of other swatches. It's kind of like a peachy gold, shimmery, oh, shimmery goodness. So I'm just going to take that and put it sort of in a C shape around my eye, top of my cheekbones, kind of like a highlighter slash blush. And then take this same brush and just sort of blend out the edges of that a little bit. So then to prime my eye, I'm going to go in with the shade 2, number 2 concealer from Lime Life. And why I'm using this is because it's waterproof, so it just primes my eye really good. So we're just going to take that and put it on all over, lash line to brow bone. Alright, so I'm going to take my number 1 Lime Life brush and get a little bit of this translucent setting powder on my brush. And just tap it under my eye just to set that under eye highlight. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter brush. It's just a smaller version. You could use the same brush if you want to. And just set that concealer. I'm going to apply this and this on my brows, these 2 shades. I don't know the numbers off by hand, but I'll post them down in the comment I'm going to post them down in the comments below, as well as everything else that I'm using for this look today. And if you guys, I'm just going to kind of speed through it. If you guys want to see a full in-depth on how I do my brows, I'm creating another video of that might actually be up by the time you guys are seeing this. So if it is up, I will post a link right here so you guys can check that out. Okay, now let's start this eye look now that we have our brows done. So I am taking the Boxycharm Pür Cosmetics Shadow Palette and, ooh, it's stiff. We're going to start with this super peach one right here with just a really fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go in with this little squad color over here. It's just a little bit more pink. And then we're going to go in with the Life's a Drag palette, and we're going to use this pink color here really lightly with a smaller blending brush. We're going to bring that onto the eyelid, a little bit on the outer corner. Then go back in with your blending brush and just kind of blend those 2 shades together. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing on the lower lash line. Then we are going to take and half cut the crease with some Tarte Shape Tape and my concealer brush. Once you have them looking kind of similar, then we're going to go back in with this Beat shade from the Life's a Drag palette. Pick up that and toss on some 10 Years Younger setting spray. I'm going to go back in with that Nakey color in the Boxycharm Pure palette and just diffuse that line a little bit. I'm going to go in with a liner brush into that naked color again and just sort of diffuse the cut crease line a little bit, just following the edge of the cut crease. I still want it to look sharp, but not quite as harsh. Okay, so now we need some liner and some lashes. So this is my Perfect Eyeliner Pen by Lime Life by Alcone. We're going to take some Double Decker Lashes by Butter London and get some mascara going on these top lashes. Okay, let that dry, and then I'm going to apply a second coat. Look how blue my eyes look. Oh, I love this. Okay, now while that's drying and before we put on our false lashes, let's go in with a little bit of highlighter. So I'm going to use the Pür Cosmetics Sculptor palette. Take a little bit of contour and just deepen this up first. Let's go in with this Trailblazer. And because we're putting it on top of that cream Fenty highlighter, it's just really, like, look at that. It's really popping, so it really picks up that color. And a bit on a Cupid's bow. For a lip color, I think I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Honey. So it's just kind of like a nude peach, which I think will go really good with this eye. This is probably, not probably, this is one of my favorite colors. This is the Dark Nude Lip Liner by Lime Life by Alcone. And then this is so cool. You put back on the lid and it's sharpened itself for the next time. So then I'm just going to take a little bit of this number 2 concealer again, just to lighten this a little bit. Little makeup hack for you. So I am just going to go and put on my lashes, do my hair, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Hair is done, lips are on, lashes. You guys, what do you think of this finished look? Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this. If there are any other looks that you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and then you guys will be notified every time I upload videos. I upload videos once a week with the odd bonus video here and there, so you don't want to miss out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.